Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you wondering if you can connect your Cash App to Rocket Money or not? So let's clarify. So as of now, Cash App is not directly supported for automatic linking with Rocket Money. Unlike traditional banks, Cash App does not provide direct integration. You won't find Cash App in the list of available accounts to connect. However, you can still manually add transaction to Rocket Money. Simply go to transaction section and input details like amount, date and category. You can also download your Cash App transaction history by going to the activity. Just input all of your information here and then just tap on to get started and you'll see those options. While there's no direct link, these alternatives can help you track your finances. So that's it. If this video is helpful, like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.